Good afternoon, everyone. I just wanted to do a really short video on stars, and that my opinion is that this is energy and frequency, a light inside the firmament with the waters above moving across it. Now, one of my subscribers had sent me a message earlier saying, Ron Hagberg says you're a liar because you're telling people this. Well, you know what? I like Ron, and I'm not going to say anything bad about him. If he wants to call me a liar for speaking what I believe this is, which is, like I said, energy, frequency, and light inside the firmament with the waters above moving across it. That's my opinion, and that's my belief. And if you want to call me a liar for that, that's fine. But I'm still going to believe what I believe. Anyways, enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and God bless.